want you.
Cause me can't see, but you can't walk. And me
But
can't walk.
you can't walk. But
Me
you don't
can't
want
walk.
you can't see.
Then you know hold me and I can't go anywhere I go.
Man want me.
No, I've got to lift you
You're
up.
number one, girl.
I've got to lift you up.
Hello. Number
But he not
one.
lift me up. He
But
just,
say, hello.
he just have one and me the behind him a
Hello.
walk.
Yes, shut your mouth. Number one is Cornwall.
Hey! Number one is Miss Hallin.
Miss Cornwall, number
Number
one.
one is Miss Hallin. I am
Miss
Hallin.
Cornwall is number one.
I am Hallin. So number one is Miss Hallin. Come me.
The wife know that Miss Cornwall is number one.
Well, if I'm the first time the wife has see me, and
The wife
the wife could all know me too, and you don't know.
The wife know Miss
The wife could all know me to call prospect me used to live.
Alright,
All prospect me used to live, so me I say,
Hannah looked on him at
Yeah, stand for us that. Say my bet you will cock up on your face, hype on you. She not be a cool me. That can't hold you see me spray, feel it. Hold it. That can't hold you. Hold this orange, that can't hold the killer. See you here. Hold your pussy hole. Remember you have jealous and you know you're not true believer. Never. Done.
One done.
One fucking done.
That club long as that.
What you mean?
Dumb, that's dumb.
Yeah! That's right. You know, you're with me killer.
And she clown out, you know. And you have a big old circus, you know.
So, what else happened to the body?
The body.
Yeah. So after you do all of that, you say I'm back, so we just push it
in
in.
my belly.
Just so quick?
And I'm put it in, you know. You see me a romance, I find me, I'm going by self, the cocky. I put it in.
It work by itself?
Yeah, because Steve and then when you put it for cocky for a woman by self. And you're a romance.
I never know that.
Yeah. So when I go on a push and I fuck you. It's going to myself.
I don't do no one whole year, bro.
I put it in anybody. You're a romance and all them things and suck on bed. I live up on the toilet naked. The 5 way.
Ah, you can't suck breast now, you know, because you don't really have enough teeth, you know.
Let me get suck breast. Let me breast like a mice.
But I can't suck breast because you don't have no teeth.
You still a chat fucking and sue my love.
But you don't have no teeth.
Now this love.
I understand what I'm saying.
I love it. No, I don't have everything about you know.
Jerry,
Love.
look on this. Look on this now.
Love is
Look on
death
this
under
now.
my Bible.
Look on this now. You then from the woman and you suck her breast and pour your plate them drop out. You don't have no teeth for that?
No, I'm suck breast and I didn't drop out.
No, me not talking about your age bracket.
Yeah, just a number, you know. You know, I'm saying when you're dirty, I will have pretty girl, fuck a young girl, dirty blood clot. Who's dirty? You know who's dirty? 20, so. It's a 44 year
But they must try to say your back done. Because they must try to say your back done.
Back down.
That they must say get back home. That they must say your back done.
Then how me a dig?
I know.
Then me back down after them done. Cause thinking pussy girl them a fuck done them blood clot back.
That's ja.
And me no want none. And no blood clot you see that go.
Where's your
fuck up me
you
like
know
a
no girl?
rat.
Where's your no girl?
No girl after go and then I fuck up me like a ratty hole. Pussy hole of them on ya. I said more fuck of them.
A jacket
I
then
know
you rock
more
it, you know?
Eh?
This a jacket then give you.
Eh?
A jacket then get.
Jacket.
Mm.
Me no know but me no girl see that go. Fuck of them. When me
One
come
girl
to
see that go
fancy
up and
bed, me
suck
say,
off a
"Man,
fatty."
then give me the girl them. I see me palm star veranda the night. The fuck of them whole of them. I go to my bed with them woman. The fuck of them on. See me I get a fool.
One of them dirty girl there, man.
Me no idiot man.
A nice clean white girl I get here. Hear that?
Better enough for them and clean and them pussy hole them, you know.
Yeah, man.
But the vibe where they want me living on it so fucking other blood cloud.
They want to come take away.
What? I'm mad. Mad. What is amastic?
The manhood. Hammer the woman pussy with it.
Aman.
Me not tell you no more.
Tell me. You don't want to teach me so I can learn. But
Eh?
I want to learn about the amastic and twat.
Eh, what?
The amastic and twat.
And what?
Yeah, I want to learn more about that.
Me tell you tomorrow.
No, I'm not there tomorrow.
Well, anytime you see you, me
I'm not see you again.
Well, all right. I hope I remember. Oh, what is the front of the clothes?
Yeah.
Okay.
You get amastic before?
Hmm?
You ever get amastic before?
Me?
Mm.
That's a. Maybe bigger than a mistake.
What you get?
Prick.
What is prick? I don't know what name prick. What name prick?
God, never lay down.
Aman, tell me what name prick first.
Eh?
Tell me what name prick.
The man is the man hood.
Hood?
The man hood, the man suck me hair, shape up my pants. No, I'm a lay down. I feel rotten.
You feel rotten?
Mm-hmm.
You want hammer stick?
Mm-hmm.
What you want prick?
Bed. I kill myself now.
When?
When I'm sick. That made me bed me quite okay.
Oh my God. Aman. Take it easy.
No man, I'm not idiot.
Looking at the camera and say something nice. Say something nice. Mad.
Huh?
Looking at the camera and say something
I
nice.
want to go lie down, my dear.
Apart from that, say something nice.
I want a man to give me a little sex. You say I say something good. I say it now. I don't want a damn man. Them old too big. When them thing, them I put it through the front, it gone through the back. Listen, no one people.
We done.
Wait for it.
Yeah, come, brother, watch it for yourself, man. Oh, you have this, gun? Yeah? I'm going to lock up a bomboclaat. You know some of police? You know me police? Yeah? I'm going to lock up a bomboclaat. Yeah? You know me police? Yeah? Run with play batty boy. Go come take up that. You know me? Yeah? I'm going to handcuff you. I'm going to handcuff your pussy wall. Yeah?
If you want to see the tell, follow, and commend.
Somebody where me can't get money from.
Yeah.
If me can't get no money, me not going back for it. Me not doing farming.
Yes.
You see it? Me not doing farming.
Because people let me say no, because they rate your style.
If I come back, but me have to know me come back. Me have to know me come back. If me come back, me will not block that girl and fight. Yeah.
Your man around here, man, what you mean? Run off him pussy well, flip and the girl bite up your toe, man. The man
Two
Jamie are going out.
Two of them. Two of them are the batty boy.
Yeah.
And the boy take my money.
Talk in name, make the people
Jamie, his name Jamie.
Yeah.
The brother of him, bomboclaat, he pay me money.
Yeah.
I make man fuck up him blood clot.
Yeah, bomboclaat. Philip, the rapper, William said, pay me my money and he make man fuck up his blood clot. The rapper, Philip.